Now the topic is mesomeric effect. Now the topic is mesomeric effect or resonance effect. Also can called as a resonance effect. How can we represent this? Means just shifting of electrons like this. Okay, but in case of inductive effect, we can represent like this. This is completely different from this one. See, what is the mesomeric effect or resonance effect means? Complete shifting or delocalization. Also we can call it delocalization of pi or lone pair of electrons. Delocalization of pi or lone pair of electrons. See, pi or lone pair of electrons. But in case of inductive effect, only sigma electrons. That is different from this one. Next, this is permanent effect. This is permanent effect. This is permanent effect, nothing but continuously operated in the molecule. When you will consider any molecule, for example, you can consider as a phenol. You can consider as a phenol. Oxygen contains 2 lone pair of electrons. Okay. Then when this electron, see, resonance effect, when this electron come to this place, then this electron are taken up by this. Then this electron are taken by this carbon atom. See what we have now. See, this is resonance effect. See, complete shifting of electrons. See, actually this lone pair electron present in oxygen atom, but this lone pair electron are shifted to the between the carbon and oxygen atom. Complete shifting of electron. A complete shifting of electron from the oxygen to the carbon atom. But in case of inductive effect, just partial shifting of electron due to electronegativity. This is resonance effect. See, whenever you can consider the phenol, definitely this resonance effect is there. Don't consider phenol just OH present on the phenol, OH present on the benzene. Chemistry is dynamic, so definitely we need to assume when you will see the structure of phenol, then you can assume phenol exhibiting resonance structure. Permanent effect completed. Next, positive inductive. Positive nothing but just the function group which release the electron donating group. See, for example, this is oxygen. This oxygen donates its electron to this benzene ring. See, that's why this OH electron donating group, OH2, NH2, all these groups show mesomeric effect, positive mesomeric. See, whenever this lose its electron, then this oxygen get positive charge. Oxygen get positive charge. Because one of the electron, 2 electrons are oxygens. These 2 electrons are lone pair, means these 2 electrons are completely, these 2 electrons are belongs to oxygen atom. But giving this 1 electron to the carbon atom, see, one electron to the carbon atom, then oxygen get positive charge. That positive charge you can represent as a positive mesomeric effect. Okay, but in case of the function group like carbonyl group, what will happen is this electron comes here, then this electron comes to the oxygen atom. Due to electronegativity of oxygen, it will take pi electrons. See how it is then. Oxygen get this pi electrons, then double bond due to the shifting of this to this one. Then this carbon get positive charge like this. See, here this oxygen getting, sorry, not here oxygen, carbon, oxygen. Carbon, oxygen. Okay, see, no need to consider about the here oxygen atom. we need to consider about this carbon atom. Okay, this is electron withdrawal. This is positive charge on the benzene. So we can represent this function group as a negative inductor, negative mesomeric effect. Negative mesomeric means electron withdrawing group. Electron withdrawing group acts as a negative mesomeric effect. Those are like carbonyl compounds, like carbonyl group. Carbonyl function group containing function group. Carbonyl group containing function group. Those are exhibiting negative mesomeric effect. So how the mesomeric effect will happen? There is a shifting of lone pair of electrons. See, direction should be like this. Lone pair electron should be shift to pi. Means lone pair of electron move towards pi electrons. If two pi system are there, two pi bonds are there, then one pi electrons moves towards another pi electron. If pi electron and either carbocation, anion or carbon free radical is there, then pi electrons always moves to the carbocation. Direction, see, direction is very important. Pi electrons will move towards either carbocation, anion or carbon free radical. If lone pair electron is there, pi electron is there, moves towards this one, lone pair is there, moves towards this one. Okay? When lone pair and pi electrons are there, lone pair will move towards pi. Two pi system is there, pi will move. So this is about mesomeric effect. So where is the application of mesomeric effect means for stability of carbocation, anion and carbon free radicals. For stability of carbocation, anion and carbon free radical. Next one is for the stability of aromatic compounds. All the benzene, stability of benzene, all the aromatic compounds can be explained by using mesomeric effect or resonance effect. Very important. Resonance effect very important.